Hey guys, as promised, this is Sunday and I'm doing a very quick tutorial on how you can utilize your services, how you can actually promote your services. So what you'll find is when you're in the dashboard here in Find AC Repair, some of you HVAC companies will have standard pricing, or what's known in the industry as flat rate pricing. And so you can actually use these as products and services on your profile, or alternatively, you may have special pricing for special deals. Maybe you're running a fall promotion, which you can obviously use, which is another tutorial. You can use coupons, etc. But this primarily is to do with your services, and that comes under the product section here. Okay, so it'd be products and services, and this is where, if you have got, say, a heating tune-up, or you've got maybe a air conditioning tune-up or something along the lines that has got a flat rate, because people enjoy finding good deals, especially if they've got flat rates, they know where they're going. People get really annoyed when technicians turn up and then start hitting them with a lot of fluff and flannel and end up with a bill 10 times that amount. I've seen it time and time again in the HVAC industry. And people are absolutely delighted when you go the extra mile for them, when you do something. So let's say, for instance, you have a deal for a tune-up and it's $68.95. You can always put a disclaimer to say that if you find something seriously wrong, then you'll discuss it with them. You won't just go ahead and fix it and then hit them with a massive bill. So this is where you can really do yourself a favor by promoting these individual services within your company. And if you go into your dashboard here, and you'll see there's lots of different things that you can use to promote your business. If you go into your dashboard here and you go to the products here, I might actually change this and add products or services. You'll find that you will now go into a setup here where you can add your product or your service. Okay. Now, what we want to do here is make sure it's at no, because you don't want to be publishing it just now. Okay, you do not want to be publishing it just now. You want to make sure that that's you're going to work on it, and then it's going to come up. Okay, so here you can have an in stock, out of stock. I mean, that's dependent if you've maybe got, say, a lot of HVAC systems that you're selling off or something. You don't need to worry about this so much, but what you need to worry about here is the product name. So let's say the product name was a heating tune-up, okay? And let's say it was $79.95. Okay, so we would make sure we choose the category, so it would be servicing, come under servicing. Now, if you've got categories that are not here, then just message us, because it's easy for us to add them. So, if there's a category that you think that we should add, then let us know, okay? So we'll put that under servicing just now. We'll say that it's $79.95, okay? And then you want to put your location in, so the location that you service, or the location where your business is. It will find it automatically in the map, and it will help you get found in your local area for this particular service. This is not just your profile ranking, but actually your service. Now, you don't need to worry about this. If you've got a link to your website that tells you about that actual flat rate service, okay, maybe you have a page that's dedicated to heating tune-ups, put it in your product link, okay, just put it there. Put the whole thing there, because that's going to link back to your page, and it's going to give you a good quality backlink back to your page, and that's where they can click on and go directly to you. Your smart tags are just keywords, so you want to put in here, maybe say heating tune-up. You maybe want to say just a heating servicing, heating service, etc, etc. You get the idea, okay? You get the idea. Don't make sure there's no thing there. Okay. Now, this is where you just need to take a little bit of time. I like to, maybe add an image here or add a video in here, maybe about your service, which you can easily do. Okay. But essentially, that goes into adding different code here and this. But what you want to do here is write maybe a good 200, 300 words all about the service. Headline the service, so regular, that should be regular heating, sorry, tune up here. And then maybe you want to, you know, highlight that, you want to bold it, okay? You want to maybe put it in an H2 tag here. Maybe you want to center it, okay? And then you maybe want to put, let me see now. You can color it if you want to color it. You know, you don't have to, but you know, let's put a little bit of color there. Okay. And then you can go in and start writing about the actual service, okay? And that's going to give you some good quality information. Now you maybe want to put that back to black, which is, that's no problem. Let's just go here. And we'll just go back to black here. Okay, so write about your service, using your keywords, etc., etc. Don't copy and paste it from your site, because then that's duplicate content, and as we know, there's a great deal of grey areas about duplicate content, but for the easiest way to work it out, just don't use this for that reason, okay? It's much better if you do it as basically a new piece of content, because that's new content that'll rank. Don't copy and paste it. That's not a good practice to do, okay? And then you want to save your changes. It's going to save, and then it's going to move on to the next stage. And this is where you get to put in images. So that can be images of your product and your service, okay? You may have a coupon there. You may have an image of you actually working on maybe a heat and tune-up. Maybe you've got a special image there. So you want to upload your photograph and then write your titles and your descriptions. Okay, save your changes below. So let's say, for instance, let's okay, oops, let me select it first. So we'll browse it and we'll put heating. We'll just search here, we'll put heat, okay? And then we'll maybe add this photograph in here. That'll upload the photograph. Okay. And there we go, we're done. Obviously that was a bigger photograph, bigger size. Benefits is you should be able to have your photographs kind of small, 72 pics. You can have them big in size, but you know, not necessarily very, very high resolution at 300 pics, which is like for print level, because that will slow up things a little bit. So put in here heat and tune up, and then the great thing to do here, okay, and you can write anything you want. This is just, you know, make it easy. 79, 95, and you could say something like, you know, Pennsylvania residents, okay? Or you can say whichever area you're in. Again, write that description, okay? Okay, I don't even know if I've spelled that right, but you get the idea. Put in your description here, make sure you write a good few words about it, and then you've got one service in, okay? Save changes, you're going to have that there. You can put the display orders, and then if you go and have a look at your listing here, let's just have a look at this listing, okay? We'll have a look at what it reads, okay? And we can see that it's not showing. And the reason that it's not showing is because you haven't actually published it. Because remember, at the beginning, we had it saying no. So what we want to do is we want to go back, okay? And we want to go to our products here. You'll see the list of your products, okay? I'm just using one of our members just now. You see the list of our products here. You'll see that it's inactive, okay? So that means it's not published. So all you want to do is go to edit here. And go back to that bit at the beginning that I told you, where it says, you know, publish. So then when you publish it, and I'm going to actually take this out, okay? And you'll see that we now have a product and service. So you guys that are members of Coolfront and Coolfront members that have joined us here, this is an absolutely brilliant way of putting your flat rate pricing, your services there, okay? As I said, very simple. Go add your product, edit it, keep it unpublished, upload your photos, write about them, save it all, go back, and then publish it, just as I showed you, okay? Just as I showed you, very easy. Now you can see that the, see, you've got a lovely profile here, and then what you want to see this image can be used, these are all separate here, and then you want to get your service. See, look, flat rate pricing, people that are looking for it in your area are going to find it, $79.95, heat and tune up, boom, they can view the details. This is going to tell you all about the details, etc., etc. Okay. Now, obviously, you might have a video here. There's your image there, all about it. If we put that image up, okay, it's just loading, so you'll see there's that image. So then it's attracting them, and then they can contact you direct to book you, okay. Or what you can do is, if you have a booking service, you can actually add that booking widget to the products, okay? And that's you basically, if we edit the product and you have a booking widget, okay, you would just go to the code and you would put that code in here. Okay, you would go to the code and you would add the code in, and it would show you the booking widget, and then they could book direct with you. That's just an extra that you can do. But for now, the biggest thing that you guys want to do is to get your products up there so that you have great service, great product there. They can contact you, blah, 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 write about your service. There it is, okay? If we go back, they can see it. This could be 10 products that you have in your area, okay? This could be a heat and tune-up, an air conditioning tune-up. It could be a repair, a repair of a capacitor. Maybe you have a standard price for that, and you have it on your system here. You have it here ready, okay, so that they can see that. And all you need to do is just add them into these products and services here, and then your services are going to show up in the area that you live in the area that you work in, okay. Boom. This could be 10 different ones here, and that's all you need, guys. I mean, if you do this one thing before you move on to anything else, you can start to build yourself up a really good profile that will actually generate your leads and generate your business, because this content is being found in your area, it's been promoted. So remember, when you have these products and services up, you can also promote them. You can share them on your social media. You can share them. You can take the link up here and share it in your social media. So if you've got flat rate pricing, or you've got special pricing for special services in your HVAC company, this is where you want to put it in, and this is where you want to promote it. It's next to nothing, guys. As you can see, you get really nice, nice profiles. If we go back, for those of you that are Coolfront members and have joined our special lifetime deal, you can actually see, that you actually get really high quality profiles designed for you. Okay, so if we just have a look at this company here, look at this profile here, look at this. Everything that's there ready for them, all that information, okay, and then you can have your products and services there, okay. Again, this is just an example, something that we did earlier on, okay. You can actually utilize this and increase your business tenfold just by taking a bit of time to add in your flat rate pricing and services. That's all for now, guys. If you've got any questions, then please just hit us back, contact us. And we will work with you to make sure that you get the best out of your profile, and you can get to utilize the system and get far more benefit out of it than just listing your business. So have a great Sunday or any other day that you're listening to this, and watch out for more tutorials coming soon from findacerepair.com.